wires. So what I've decided to do, just when I turned the camera off, I thought, why don't I just move my waste, make that, cut a bit off that tile, and I'm able to bring it all this way, bring it towards the wall. Even if I gain another say 15 mil, and then my tile will go over the gap, so it'll look bang on. Okay, I'll see you soon. Yo, we got over that problem. See ya. Yo, it's Crusoe. What I'm doing now is I want to mark going from that strip drain up to here, and for that, to do that, I need this all straight. DIYs like so. Make a mark there. I don't go right to the edge. Nah. So mark it like that. I should put them all together at 1.5 mil. That's going to be my grout line. Like so. Make a mark like that there. They're numbered off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut them on the cutter. Which I've got set up here. That's one. Two. Three. Four. Someone's knocking at the door. Okay, so that that goes like that, folks. And this is going to end up another beautiful bathroom. That all moves over. I just wanted to lay it out like that. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll cut these ones as well. So I come over to there, like so. That needs a little bit of adjustment yet, because all those grout lines are too wide. I need to close them up, but I'll do that when I'm laying. So I'll put my straight edge through at a couple of rows and lay that hole. Once I've cut those, I can lay 2 rows out, and then my next 2 rows, the rest is history. But I must square this up and mark it. So what I need to do is get it right. One, two, three. Right, that brings me out to there. Get that out of my vision because it's not my focus at the moment. Oh, out comes the fat boy. And it's 12:05. Okay. 11:93. 11:93. Come over, Chriso. I was stuffing up without realising it then, measuring from the wrong end. So always be aware and check things twice or 3 times DIYs. You know, I've always got to check myself. I've been doing this for a long time, but God, it doesn't matter. Right, 11. What did I say that was? What did I say that was, fat boy? $11.90. Come over some more. $11.90. $11.90, right, bang on. Mark it quick. Right, set your tiles up. Like so. That'll work nicely. Right, now that is square. I've got to now go from that line, so I need to square it make sure it's the right distance. Measure that, piss that tape off, stick to the fat boy. $11.05. $11.05. Okay, that's square. That's my split line. Then I come in 20mm. And go see, I could get away with not splitting that tile, and if my waterproof was under my screed, oh well, yeah, it would work, but no, it's better that you, I won't confuse everyone. Right, that tile is tilting, that tile is flat, that one's tilting. This is still cut here because that's where my water stop goes. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a bummer. I wish I didn't have that, but I have, and I can't get around it. Okay, so be it. I'll have to cut that one with the grinder. I'll cut that one on my Sigma first, and then I'll cut it with the grinder, because it will break off. If I try and cut that on my cutter, it'll break about here, which is no good. Okay, once I've got those cut, I'll start laying a couple of rows. So I'll mix up some glue. I'll cut those, mix up some glue, get a line through there with my straight edge, and we're laughing. I'll come back to you soon.